Welcome to this tutorial on integrating your Etsy account with Sellercloud. Before we dive in, make sure that the app setting Etsy Enable EPIV3 is enabled on your server. You can always reach out to our support team to confirm. Once you're all set, here's what you need to do. First, go to Settings, then Companies, then Manage Companies, and select a company in Sellercloud. Next, in the Toolbox, select Etsy, then General Settings, and click Edit. Make sure to check the box Etsy Enabled to make your products available for listing on Etsy. Now, simply copy and paste your Etsy shop name into the shop name field. Click Save. Head on over to the Actions menu and select Fetch Token for V3. This will redirect you to log into your Etsy account. Just sign in, or click Grant Access to authorize Sellercloud. The token will auto-populate in Sellercloud. Next, navigate to the Action menu again, and press Get Etsy Shop ID for V3. That's it. You've successfully integrated your Etsy account with Sellercloud. Now let's take a look at some of the Etsy settings you can configure in Sellercloud. In the Credentials panel, you can find settings such as Etsy Enabled, Shop Name, and New Listing Status. These settings indicate your company is live on Etsy and allow you to manage your Etsy shop from Sellercloud. You can also set safety quantities, maximum quantities, and default quantities for your products to prevent overselling and manage inventory efficiently. Under the Options panel, you can enable settings like Order Download, Fulfillment Upload, and Inventory and Price Upload. These options allow you to automatically import orders, update tracking and ship dates, and sync inventory and prices with Etsy. If you're using Etsy shop sections to organize your items, you can also download shop sections into Sellercloud to easily assign them to your products. Sellercloud's integration with Etsy helps you streamline your inventory and order management, saving you time and effort.